Okay, how to create a Google form inside your teacher folder and then do a forced copy. So here's my teacher folder. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to go to New and Google Form. So I'm just going to title this form, How are you today? Something generic. I'm going to say, are you having a good day? And then just put yes. Click on the next one and say no. Okay. So once you click up here to the title, it's going to take the title up here that you saved it and replace it with that. Now, if you want to share this or do a forced copy with somebody, it's the same thing as slides in a way. You're going to click on these three dots and you're going to do something a little different. So, where it says you're going to add collaborators, this is where you have to take your restrictions off. So, go to change and then do anyone with the link. Okay, so then done. So, go up here, same as the slides, go all the way to the end, take off the word edit, type in the word copy, and press enter. So now you have a forced copy. So then you're going to highlight that, Control C, and then you would take it and put it right here underneath forced copy Google Form link. Put it right here in the cell. So Control V. And there it is.